toy.
Okay. Raania, can you read this one?
Cat on bat.
Cat on
Mat.
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 Very good. Another two boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, read.
Bat on tab.
Bats on.
Cam.
Hmm? Read
Cam.
again. Read
Cap.
again.
Cap.
Again.
M.
Bats on.
Mat.
Bats on mat. Okay, so you can move one boxes. Read slowly, carefully. Okay, read.
Cat. I don't know this one.
And
And cat and bat on cap.
on.
M. On M. M.
How do we
And
read this word?
cam.
After, how do we read this word?
Cam.
After.
Cam.
Mat again.
Mat. Mat.
Mat. Okay, good.
Cat and bat on cat.
On mat. Okay, good. Cat
On mat.
and bat on mat. Okay, so you can move one boxes. Okay, good. Next, you can read this one.
Tot on mat.
Thought on mat. Very good. Okay, you can move two boxes for you. Okay, next, you can read this one.
Which one? Con.
Hmm? Read
Can.
again. Caught.
Con.
Are you sure con?
Caught.
Caught.
Caught on at
On.
mat.
Very good. Caught on mat. Caught on mat. Okay, so you can move 1, 2. Okay, one more. You can read this one.
Caught on
Dot
on
and
this one was
caught. How do you read this word?
con.
Caught.
Caught
Very good. Next.
on cam.
Are you sure, Tam? Mm.
Them. Them.
Mm.
Amp.
At.
Cam. Man.
Mat. Okay, thought and caught on mat. Okay, so you have crossed the finish line. Okay, good. So you can ask your mom to get 2 ringgit.